Understanding Software Keyboards, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and modern topic, software keyboards. Whether you're typing a message on your phone or using a tablet, software keyboards are a part of our daily lives. Let's dive in and understand what they are and how they work. A software keyboard is a virtual keyboard that appears on the screen of a digital device, like a smartphone, tablet, or touchscreen computer. Unlike traditional keyboards that are physical and need to be pressed, software keyboards are touch-sensitive and respond to the touch of your fingers. They are an essential part of today's technology, allowing us to type, search, and communicate easily. Software keyboards have evolved significantly over the years. Initially, they were simple and only provided basic typing functionalities. However, modern software keyboards are much more advanced. They now include features like auto-correction, predictive text, and support for multiple languages. This evolution has made typing on digital devices faster, easier, and more efficient. One of the biggest advantages of software keyboards is their flexibility. They can easily switch between different languages and layouts, making them ideal for bilingual users or those learning a new language. Additionally, they offer various customization options, like changing the size or adding special characters, enhancing the user experience. While software keyboards are convenient, they also come with challenges. For instance, typing on a flat screen can be less tactile than on a physical keyboard. To address this, many software keyboards include features like haptic feedback, where the device vibrates slightly to mimic the feeling of pressing a key. There are also voice-to-text options, making it easier for users to communicate without typing. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding what software keyboards are and how they have become a crucial part of our digital lives. Remember, technology is always evolving, and with it, the ways we communicate and interact with our devices. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.